Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can manage who can add you to Instagram group chat. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do, we can click on this profile button, and then we can click on this button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we just need to click on settings and privacy. Then we're going to look for messages and story reply setting, and this is the settings, so just tap on it, then click on message controls, and you can scroll down to find the group chat setting, and this is the group chat setting, and you can click on who can add you to groups right here, and then you can select who can add you to groups. You can choose either everyone on Instagram or only people you follow on Instagram, and for me I'm just going to select this one because I don't want to be added by everyone that I don't follow on Instagram to a group chat, so I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can manage who can add us to Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.